So if you are looking for a compact mechanical keyboard that looks premium, sounds satisfying and doesn't break the bank, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Zinoi and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Kreo Hive 65 mechanical keyboard. Inside the box we get some cool Kreo stickers, one black and one white, user manual and warranty card, then the Kreo Hive 65 keyboard. Right out of the box, the keyboard looks really premium. This is a 65% layout, which means you get arrow keys and essential buttons without wasting desk space. The build feels solid, no chip flex here, perfect for both gaming and productivity. In the accessories section, we get a keycap puller, a detachable USB Type-C cable and a purple switch for backup. Nothing else but everything you actually need. Now let's talk about the look and feel of Kreo's Hive 65. From the sides, the keyboard has a clean, slightly raised profile, giving it a solid and premium stance on the desk. One feature I really like is the dedicated volume control knob. It feels smooth to rotate and makes adjusting volume super convenient without breaking focus, especially useful while gaming or editing. The keys sit at a comfortable height, so even during long typing or coding sessions, it doesn't feel tiring. Now let's connect this keyboard to my laptop. The keyboard uses a USB Type-C port, which is always a plus for durability and stable connectivity. One important thing to note is that this keyboard will not function unless you install the Kreo software. You need to download the keyboard software from Kreo's official website before you can start using it. Let's download the software directly from Kreo's official website and install it step by step. Click on the download software under Kreo Hive 65 section. Click on the downloaded software to install it in your system. When you open the software, you will get a warning message stating Windows Defender prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Click on More Info and click Run Anyway button below. Select your preferred language and click on the Next button to start the installation process. Select the installation location here. I will go with the default one. Once the installation is complete, the keyboard is instantly dictated and becomes fully functional. This software also allows you to create multiple profiles, which is useful if you switch between gaming, coding or general use. I'm not going to that part. Let's focus on the RGB lighting part now. The software lets you fully customize the per key RGB lighting. You can pick lighting effects, adjust brightness and change colors to match your setup. This means your keyboard lighting isn't just fixed patterns, you can create your own or choose preset effects. Let's try a snake effect. Let's try reaction effect. This is my personal favorite. You should always click on save to activate your changes in the keyboard. Through the software, you can remap keys and program macros. So instead of being stuck with default function, you can assign custom shortcuts for games, productivity, workflows and more. This is super useful if you like efficiency or need specific combos for software or games. One interesting feature in this software is music-reactive RGB lighting. The keyboard's RGB light can sync with audio, changing lighting patterns based on the beat and intensity of the music. This works well with desk setups if you like an immersive vibe while listening to music or gaming. You can enable or disable this mode directly from the RGB section in the software and switch back to standard lighting effect anytime. Before wrapping up, let's quickly talk about the key sound and typing feel. The Kreo Hive 65 has a clean, well-balanced sound profile. Not overly loud, but still very satisfying. Keystrokes feel consistent across the board with no hollow or rattly noise, which is greater for both long typing sessions and gaming. If you enjoy a keyboard that sounds crisp and controlled rather than noisy, this one does a good job. Overall, the keyboard feels well balanced, premium, thoughtfully designed, especially for 65% layout. So that was my unboxing and review of Kreo Hive 65 mechanical keyboard. If you are looking for a compact 65% keyboard with solid build quality, deep software customization, a physical volume knob control, and music-reactive RGB, this is definitely worth checking out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full sound test, game review, or comparison with other keyboards. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.